Most people get this wrong. They think CashX is just another payday loan or buy now pay later app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that CashX has transformed into a versatile financial platform, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and budgeting tools to help users manage money smarter. Here's how it works. CashX allows users to access a portion of their earned income before payday, often in hours. This can cover urgent bills, unexpected expenses, or emergencies without relying on high-interest credit cards. Certain purchases can also be split into smaller, manageable payments, making budgeting more predictable. The app is intuitive and easy to use. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and analyze spending patterns. Push notifications help you stay on top of payments, preventing late fees, and keeping your financial habits on track. The downside? Overusing CashX can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments may add up in fees, so it's best treated as a short-term solution rather than a permanent financial strategy. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with stable incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, CashX in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used wisely. Track spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.